Today in this video we will learn how is soil formed and what are the types of soil. We know that the soil is formed from weathering of the parent rock and the texture of the soil depend upon the parent rock only. This process take time, maybe 100 years, or then the fine soil is formed. In the first stage of soil formation, the soil is generally non-porous in nature. Then it slowly turns into the soil having air and water in the pores. We can define soil as a mixture of rock particles and humus. Based on the size of the particles and the texture of the soil, it can be divided into various types like A, B, C horizon and the bedrock. Now let us discuss the types of soil. The first one is the sandy soil. Sandy soil has big particles that have large space between them. The spaces between them particles or these particles are filled with air. Hence, sandy soil are called the wet aerated soil. Because of the large spaces, water can easily penetrate through the particle of the sand, and sandy soil, however, cannot hold the water. Hence, the sandy soil are light aerated and dry in nature. Sandy soil lack much nutrient, hence do not support the diverse growth of the plant. The second type of soil is the clay soil. It consists of fine particles which have less space between them. Since there is not much space between the particle, the clay soils are not well aerated like the sandy soil. The tiny gaps between the particles although allow absorption of water in the clay soil easily. They are able to hold the water, hence are suitable for the growth of different kind of plants. The third one is a loamy soil. Loamy soil contain a similar amount of large and small particles in them. They are the combination of sandy, clay and the silty soil. They also contain humus. They can hold the water in appropriate amount and therefore support the growth of the plant. They are also called the agricultural soil because of their fertility and appropriate texture. They contain the good amount of calcium and have a high pH level. The fourth one is the silt soil. The silt soil particles are smaller than the sandy soil but larger than the clay soil. Silt soil can hold the water to some extent because of its fine quality. They are generally found near the water bodies like river banks and lakes. They are rich in nutrients, highly fertile and hence are suitable for agriculture. They are often mixed with other soil to improve the fertility of the soil. So this is all about the different types of soil. That's all for today's video. Thank you.